Once the phone starts ringing, well, how do you schedule your first 2, 3, few inspections?
John asks, how do you get your first few inspections booked without a reputation yet? Right. Well, that is the question. John nailed it. What I personally did was I visited small real estate agent offices and introduced myself. Why the small ones? Because my competitors went to the big ones, the offices with 200, 400 agents. I did presentations for them. Starting off, I went to the small real estate agent's office, and I did things for them. Like when it was summertime, I brought in cute little basket of peaches, and I stuck my brochures in there, my business cards, napkins, forks, knives. You can host or sponsor the monthly meetings or weekly meetings at the real estate offices with some fresh baked pastries. You can visit agents on job when they're having a listing and an open house. You come and visit the open house. For me, it was about networking with that very large network of licensed real estate agents. And I also went outside of my market area in the beginning so that if I happen to make a mistake, it's outside of my market. So we marketed 50 miles away. We were in the suburbs and we marketed to the inner city real estate agents. We got really great training on difficult homes outside of our market. And we started moving back and taking over our market area with the same type of marketing strategies. It was about developing business relationships. You could also do it in other ways. And all those strategies are within this program and also within the home inspection business course. But I would say that's probably one of the strategies that worked really well for me, John. Contact Internetchi. If you have any questions, we have a contact page. There's a lot of folks who work at Internetchi and they all work for you. So call them up and ask, what can you do for me? I would say that. I'm a new home inspector. What do you think is my first step?
So if you haven't scheduled your home inspection yet, one home inspection, two, you haven't scheduled any, that's okay. It'll come to you. Always be marketing. And then there's some tips on how to schedule your first few inspections.